Hello everyone, and welcome to DelftStack. If you want AnyDesk to automatically launch when your computer turns on, allowing you to establish a remote connection immediately without manual intervention, you need to configure its system startup settings. I will show you exactly how to enable this feature right now. Let's get started. First, we need to ensure that AnyDesk is actually installed on your system rather than just running as a temporary portable application. If you see an orange banner at the top of your AnyDesk main window or a tile that says Install AnyDesk on this device, you must click it and complete the brief installation wizard. The software cannot automatically boot with your operating system unless it is fully installed as a Windows background service. Next, since the startup option has been removed from the AnyDesk access panel, we will use your built-in system controls. Right-click on an empty space on your Windows taskbar at the bottom of the screen and select Task Manager, or press Ctrl, Shift, and Escape simultaneously on your keyboard. Once it opens, navigate to the Startup Apps tab on the left sidebar, which usually looks like a small speedometer icon. Finally, scroll through your list of background applications until you locate AnyDesk. Check the status column next to it. If it currently says Disabled, simply right-click on the AnyDesk name and select Enable from the drop-down menu. Your computer is now fully configured to launch the software seamlessly in the background every time Windows restarts. I hope you found this guide helpful. Please like, share, and subscribe for more technical tutorials. Thanks for watching.